should you sell your stocks now? That's going to be the topic of this video. Now, if you've watched the news or any financial correspondent, any type of financial figure, influencer, whatever, a lot of people have been predicting, have been saying, oh, okay, so we're expecting a Santa Claus rally until the end of the year, and then we do expect some sort of sell-off. Okay, fine and dandy. Santa Claus rally, then sell in January. The problem is, when everyone expects the same exact thing, everyone is standing in front of the door waiting for midnight of December 31st? I never remember. Yes, December 31st on midnight. Don't you think some people would front run that if that were really the case? There's like a story riddle type thing, which is basically someone gets convicted and sent to death row, and they said that we're gonna execute you sometime within the week, and the thing is, you will never expect when we execute you. The prisoner thinks, okay, of course I'll expect it. So then they work backwards. So it can't be on Friday, because if they executed me on Friday, I would have already expected it. Okay, so I know it can't be on Friday. Because I know it can't be on Friday, that means it can't be on Thursday, because I know it can't be on Friday. And then it can't be on Thursday because I know it, because by Thursday, then I know they can't execute me on Friday, and they haven't executed me on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so they can't execute me on Thursday. Working backwards is logic. Then he just thinks, okay, they're never gonna execute me, because when you can't execute on Thursday, then you can't execute on Wednesday, then you can't execute on Tuesday, then you can't execute on Monday, right? And then the executioner comes on Tuesday and he didn't expect it and he dies. So this sounds like a random story, but basically we don't know when the selling is going to start, right? Should you sell now in order to front run this selling? What I wanted to say is, I don't know, but I have no idea. What the heck? What am I? Do you think I'm some type of god or something? No, I don't know shit. But I just wanted to make you aware that this is quite possible, that this might happen, right? Now, and what am I going to do? I'm just going to stay back, hold some cash, but I'm not really going to sell out of any positions from what I know of as of today, December 10th. I don't know. Because in my opinion, I just don't like selling. I've always been bad at timing the market, and usually when I sell, things run, and when I buy, things fall. It's a whole ordeal. I'm not going to deal with it. So I'm just going to... Warren Buffett, all these other financial people, gurus, they always say that buy the dip has proven time and time again to be the best strategy. Just buy the dip. So that's what I'm going to do. I honestly don't know, but I just wanted to make you aware of this. When everyone is telling you, alright, Santa Claus rally, then we're all selling. Do you really think we're all going to like pre-plan? We're going to be like, alright, January 1st? But yeah, January 1st is the Wednesday. But I guess it's closed. So January 2nd. Thursday, January 2nd, we're all going to sell immediately, and then everyone's going to be hunky-dory, and then we're just going to buy again the next day when everything dips. I don't think so. In my opinion, there's definitely going to be some sort of front running, especially since it's been so predicted that we're going to have this Santa Claus rally. Like, I feel like if you go to CNBC, if you go to MSNBC, if you go to any of the channels, if you go to any influencer, any stock market wizard, guru, whatever, they've all been preaching basically the same thing, which is, oh, Santa Claus rally, and then after Santa Claus rally, boom. And I just wanted to talk about that and air on my thoughts, air on my opinions. So I just wanted to make you aware of this. This is a possibility, right? Now I could be dead wrong, right? Like maybe this rally runs until February, and then we sell, or until like next February, and then we sell, right? I don't know. I'm an idiot. I don't know. Why are you even watching my video? But I just wanted to make you aware that this is quite possible, and especially since recently, I don't have any charts pulled up, but the market does look very toppy. If you look at Bitcoin, I'm not trading Bitcoin. I've talked about this multiple times. It just kind of scares me, but it looks toppy. The way it hit to 100, it passed 100, went back down to like 98, then it hit 100 again, 101, then it went back down to 96, and now it looks like it's rallying back up. That looks like a triple top. It could be consolidating for another ramp, for another leg up, but it looks like a triple top. You look at for example, also AI, right? They ticker symbol AI, so C3AI. They just announced a deal, a partnership with Microsoft, and their stock jumped to 50 and then went back down to 39. Right? You look at SMCI, it jumped to 48 and then they sold the news. Now it's back at 40. Like there's all these things that are just pointing to like a very toppy behavior where people are like looking for any way out, any reason to take profits. It just looks really toppy. Again, I don't know. I'm probably not going to trade it just because I'm worried I might sell some of my remaining calls, because I do still have some calls on SoFi. But it just looks toppy. It looks kind of like the market is waiting for any excuse to sell. So I just wanted to bring that out. So I mean, I don't know. But again, I could be completely wrong. So if you have any opinion as well, please let me know, and maybe you can share some of the attendees with me. But otherwise, I just wanted to, if you weren't aware of this and you've heard all the other influencers, all the other gurus and wizards and whatever, all talking about how they predict a Santa Claus rally, just be wary that this is like a party and everyone is staring at the door waiting until midnight or waiting until the light turns off, right? And you don't know when the light's going to turn off, so you could always leave before, but you just don't want to be the last person out. And or you could just stay and then wait until the next party, right? That's the equivalent of just holding, buying the dip, and then just waiting there, right? But if you were to trade it, you just don't want to be the last person out. That's all this video is going to be about. That's it. Yeah. All right. Peace.